St. Joseph College for Women, Autonomous Vishakhapatnam. Welcome to St. Joseph Open Web-based learning platform So Learn for a soulful and enriching e-learning experience. Department of Commerce and Management presents SMOOC, St. Joseph Massive Open Online Course. I am Dr. K. Rajni, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce and Management, St. Joseph College for Women, Autonomous, Vishakhapatnam. Here I am going to present a Module 2 ERP Solutions and Functional Modules. Contents of Module 2 are 5 parts. 2.1 Overview of ERP Software Solutions. 2.2 is Small, Medium and Large Enterprise Vendor Solutions. 2.3 is BPR and Best Business Practices. BPR is nothing but Business Process Reengineering. 2.4 is Business Process Management. 2.5 and the last one is Functional Modules of ERP Solutions. The outcome of Chapter 2, the students will be able to understand the concept and importance of ERP software solutions in integrating various business functions into a unified system. To analyze ERP vendor solutions for small, medium, large enterprises and how they differ in cost, scalability, and functionality. And to study the role of business process reengineering in redesigning business process for improved efficiency and alignment with ERP systems. To understand best business practices embedded in ERP systems and how they help organizations achieve standardization and operational excellence, and to examine the concept of business process management and its role in continuous monitoring and improvement of business processes. And the last objective is to explore various functional modules of ERP such as finance, HR, sales, inventory, marketing, production, and their role in organizational performances. Now let's start with the chapter 2.1, that is Overview of ERP Software Solutions. The content of chapter 2.1 are: first one is concept of ERP and the features and the modules of ERP systems and benefits of ERP and challenges and limitations of ERP systems, and the last one is real world applications of ERP solutions. Outcome of the chapter 2.1, student will be able to understand the concept of ERP, enterprise resource planning, how it integrates various business functions into a single unified system. To analyze the key features and modules of ERP system such as finance, human resource, supply chain, marketing, customer relationship management, etc. In all the fields we can use these ERP systems. And to examine the benefits of ERP software solutions, it improved efficiency, real-time data access, and a better decision making. To identify the challenges and limitations of ERP implementation such as cost, scalability, complexity, and change management issues. And to explore real-world applications of ERP system across different industries and how organizations use them to gain a competitive advantage. Now let's start with introduction to ERP software solutions. ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning software, integrates core business processes, finances, HR, manufacturing, marketing, supply chain, and customer relationship management into a single system with a shared database. By automating workflow and providing real-time data, these solutions enhance productivity, efficiency, and improve decision making, and also eliminate data silos. Modern ERPs are available while cloud, SaaS, on-premise, and hybrid deployments. So this ERP is a process used by companies to manage and integrate important business processes like planning, purchasing, inventory, sales, marketing, finance, and human resources using a single software system. This system allows different departments to easily communicate and share information. Implementing an ERP system provides a benefits like eliminating redundant processes, improve accuracy, and allow real-time data reporting from a single source. So, however, the companies must carefully implement ERP systems and be willing to change outdated processes for the system to be effective. So, ERP is a suite of integrated software module that share a centralized database. So, implementing ERP system, it provides a real-time data reporting from single source of truth to it integrates different software modules that share centralized database. It streamline the business processes. Next one is features of enterprise resource planning software solutions. First one is integration. It combines all business functions into a single system. It ensures smooth data flow across different departments. Second feature is centralized database. Stores all organizational data at one place and also eliminate data duplication and improves accuracy. Real-time processing. It provides up-to-date information instantly to all the departments in an institution, and it also helps in faster and better decision making. Next one, automation. Automate routine tasks like billing, payroll, reporting, stocking, inventing, dispatching, everything done automatically with a single system, and also reduces manual errors and saves time. And next one is scalability. It can be expanded as the business grows, and it's suitable for small to large organizations. And next one is security. It provides a role based access control and protects sensitive business data. And customization. It can be tailored to meet specific business needs to their clients accordingly. And the last feature of ERP is reporting and analytics. It generates reports, insights for management for a better decision making and the policy changing. And it also supports strategic planning for the executives and the management for their effective performance in an organization. Modules of ERP system. There are several modules in an ERP system. These are summarized some below. One is finance model. So it performs the task like manages accounting, budgeting, financial reporting, inventory, etc. And the second module, human resource module, it handles employee records, payroll, recruitment, selection, performance, induction, job description. Everything should be managed by HR modules like SAP. And sales and marketing module, it manages customer data, sales order, marketing campaigns. And inventory module, it tracks stock levels, warehouse operations, and material movement. And production and manufacturing module plans and control production processes. Supply chain module process the manages procurement, logistics, and distribution. And customer relationship management module, it handles customer interaction, support, and the services. And the last module is procurement and purchase module. It manages supplier details and purchasing activities. These are all several modules that organizations install implemented in their organizations according to their nature and size of the organizations for their improvement and efficiency of the performance of the organizational achievements. Now let's discuss with the benefits of ERP solutions. It There are several benefits while implementing these ERP solutions in our organization. It improves efficiency. It automates routine business processes and reduces manual work and saves time. And the second one, it improves better decision making. It provides real-time data, accurate data, and helps the managers to make informed decisions quickly. And it enhances data accuracy. So, centralized data reduces the data duplication and ball practices and it minimizes the errors and inconsistencies, and it improved communication. Facilitating communication sharing across departments is very easy with a one single system, and it enhances coordination and teamwork. And the next one is it reduces cost, reduces operational and administrative cost, and it optimizes our resource utilization. And next one is scalability and flexibility, easily adapt to business growth and changes according to changing environments, and it support expansions and new processes, and it improves better customer services, is faster response to a customer queries easily and immediately. It improved order processing and delivery quickly, and it regulates compliances. The other benefit is it helps to maintain accurate records, ensure compliance with the legal financial standards are effective, and it enhanced productivity. Streamlined workflow increases employee efficiency. And the next one is competitive advantage. We can get the competitive price policy changes everything. We can take the advantages of the competitive firms, and it helps in organization respond quickly to market changes, and it improves overall business performance while you are implementing ERP solutions at your organizations. Challenges of ERP solutions. There are several challenges while you are installing this ERP software or a tool in your organization. What are all those? We'll see. First one, high implementation cost. ERP systems are very expensive to implement. So cost include like software license, hardware upgrade, consultancy fee, employee training, etc. Second one, complex implementation process. ERP implementation is not a quick for us or simple. It involves redesigning business processes, data migration from old system configuration and testing. Projects can take months or even years. The next challenge is resistance to change. Employees are often resist ERP adoption because it changes existing workflow. It requires learning new system. This can reduce productivity initially and create internal conflicts among the employees. And data migration issue. It transferring data from old system to ERP is a challenging one. It may be incomplete or inconsistent. Errors in migration can affect decision making. Poor data quality leads to poor outcomes. Next one is customization difficulties. So these ERP systems are usually standardized. Heavy customization is costly and time consuming, and too much customization can make future upgrades difficult. Organization must balance between standardization and flexibility. And the next one is training requirements. Employees need proper training to use ERP effectively. Training takes time and money. Lack of training leads to underutilization of the systems. And next challenge is integration of problems. ERP must integrate with other systems like customer relationship management, supply chain management, etc. Integration failures can disrupt operations. Next challenge is risk of implementation failure. ERP projects can fail due to poor planning, lack of management support, inadequate resources. Failure can result in financial loss and operational disruption. Next one is security and data privacy concerns. This system store critical business data. Risk of cyber attacks, unauthorized access issues. Strong security measures are very essential to protect our data. And next challenge is maintenance and upgrade cost. After implementation, regular updates are required. Maintenance costs can be high. Upgrades may also disrupt ongoing operations. And next one, dependence on vendor. The organizations depend heavily on ERP vendors for supporting, updating, troubleshooting. Vendor issue can impact business continuity. And the last challenge is limited flexibility. ERP system follow predefined processes, difficult to adapt quickly to unique business. Real world applications of ERP solutions. First one is manufacturing industry. It helps in production planning, inventory control, quality management. It tracks raw material, work in progress, and also finished goods. Examples for this is automobile companies use ERP to manage the entire production cycle. Next one is retail industry. Okay, in retail industry, they manages sales, inventory, billing, customer data, and it helps in demand forecasting and stock replacement replenishment. Supermarkets use ERP to track daily sales and inventory levels. And coming to banking and finance sector, handles accounting, financial reporting, risk management, compliances, ensure accuracy and transparency in transactions. And in healthcare sector, it manages patients records, billing, staff scheduling, and inventory, improves service quality and reduces administrative workload. In education sector, it used for student information system, fee management, attendance, exams, fee, and also it helps in institutions manage academic and administrative activities. In supply chain and logistics, it tracks procurement, warehouse management, transportation, delivery, and it ensures smooth flow of goods from supplier to customers. And in human resource management, manages employee data, payroll, recruitment, performance evaluation. It automates HR processes and improve efficiency. And e-commerce business, it integrates orders, payments, inventory, and customer service, helps in real-time tracking of orders and delivery. And in construction industry, it manages project planning, budgeting, resource allocation, timeliness, helps in cost control and project monitoring. And in last, the government and public sector also used these ERP systems, applications, and they use it for budgeting, procurement, and public service delivery, etc. It improves transparency and accountability. So in all the fields, the IRP implement solutions are implemented and enjoy the fruits of the and enjoy the fruits and benefits of the. Thank you.